did you feel knowing your last name was Benchman?
Well, it's caused a lot of embarrassment over the years.
Let's read some of your feedback from the general public.
Let's hope it's positive.
First off, we have Nerfed81 from Texas. He says you are the worst basketball player that has ever touched the court. If I could, I would round up a gang of Russian circus bears.
Please stop. Let's move on to another comment.
Now we have Bam Anon Pentium from Iowa. He says, when I first saw you on the court I was pleasantly surprised, until I saw the swastika tattoo on the back of your leg.
What the hell? There's a swastika on my frickin' leg.
Dear God, man, my son-in-law is Jewish.
Well, I'm going to hit the old dusty trail.